What are you doing?
You just gonna run?
No.
What you mean no?
193, where are you at now?
I didn't do nothing.
I'm in the parking lot of the funeral home. Taking one into custody.
For what? I didn't do nothing.
Two with 190. Somebody go with him. Don't.
Today's video is an excellent example of a Terry stop. An officer was on routine patrol when he observed suspicious activity. He did not have probable cause at the time, but he thought it was odd to see a truck and a trailer backed up to a vacant building at 3:30 in the morning. As the officer began to investigate, one of the suspects fled. The officer gave pursuit and detained the suspect. At this point in time, the officer did not have probable cause to charge anyone with a crime. He only had reasonable suspicion. Once the suspects were successfully detained, officers developed probable cause and charges were filed.
Copy.
.193, 48 A's, Harris, north of Broad. It's gonna be just east of Harris. What's up?
Okay, I copy. Do you want another car?
Lock that up.
No, get out of the way, dude. Alright. John King Robert, 5991. They're over here taking wood off the building, and they got a male walking away.
Okay, copy. 190, you're with him.
Other male was walking. He's got a male white, black hoodie. I think he's heading northbound towards Broad here. Yeah, he's running. He's running through Jerry Spears. Yeah, still running. Just down to the parking lot. East of Harris. Get on the ground! Get out! Get out! Put the fucking hands behind your back.
What are you doing?
You just gonna run?
No.
What you mean no?
193, where are you at now?
I didn't do nothing.
I'm in the parking lot of the funeral home. Taking one into custody.
For what? I didn't do nothing.
Two with 190. Somebody go with him. Don't move. You hear me?
I copy.
Yeah, I ain't moving.
My car is 190.
I ain't did nothing.
K98, I'm pulling up for 3. Yeah, 190, I got 3 of them back here. They're all complying now.
Copy. 190, are you at this location, Harris Broad?
Yep.
Copy.
Turn your hand over.
Well, I ain't did nothing.
L3 myself and 192 around here.
Copy.
What's your name, dude? Charles Logan. I ain't do nothing. Charles Logan. Charles Logan. Yeah, I ain't did nothing. Charles Logan.
Yeah.
You get my phone?
Yeah, come over here. Stay right here.
Yeah.
You got anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, anything like that?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Okay, I copy. Do you want another car?
190, I'm pulling up with him now.
Copy.
John King Robert, 5991.
Copy.
Wood off the building, and I got a male walking over there.
Okay, copy. 190, you're with him.
Yep, pulling up now. Other male was walking, got a male white, black hoodie. I think he's heading northbound towards Broad here.
Okay, copy. Male, white, black hoodie.
Running through Jerry Spears. They make this very rough for us.
I copy. 10-3, Harrison Broad.
Okay. You take a seat. You take a seat. You come here. You take a seat.
What, fixing my buddy's door?
Well, we'll figure that out in a minute. There's a reason the other guy's running right now. So, till we figure that out, everybody's gonna sit down.
that's crazy. Why the hell would he take off running?
I don't know.
193, where are you at now?
The parking lot of the funeral home. Take one into custody.
Knocked his boards down.
Two with 190. Somebody go with her.
I copy. My car is 190.
K98, I'm pulling out for free.
My buddy, he works in here like he's remodeling it.
Your buddy?
Fred.
The one that just ran?
No, Fred lives over in the barber shop. Somebody pulled down his board.
They were unscrewing this.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
I was unscrewing it because somebody pulled this board down and I was trying to screw it back up for him.
Okay.
Because I live.
Alright, we're gonna move this real quick, okay?
Oh, you're cool. I do got a knife in me.
You got any other, don't reach in. You got any other weapons on you? Alright, I'm gonna pat you down real quick. Stand up for me. Come around. Stay anywhere.
I live in a pit. Back here, behind Jordan's car.
What's your name, dear?
Jordan.
J-O-R-D-A-N?
Jordyn.
Y-N? Your last name, Jordan?
Crawford.
I copy. Check out 3.
Where do you live at?
I live in a tent.
In a tent? Okay. It's her. Huh?
It's a knife. It breaks into a knife.
Okay, just leave it.
Just leave it?
Yeah, just leave it. Whose truck? You don't know whose truck? Do you know whose truck?
He pulled up. We asked him if he'd help us.
You know whose trailer?
No, we just literally, like I said, I had him.
I haven't found one.
I was walking, like, because I'm hungry.
It's a nice ass trailer. 190. Did you have the 11 and 12 on that John X-Ray Robert 5991 by chance? Okay, I don't match this truck. I'll go check it. Yeah, it's her. Okay. I think this truck's a 45. Then no match, and it's like they have a thing up there to block the VIN, but it's not blocking it. C6RR. I think there's a red one on the hot sheet, and they got that little piece of paper right there that's not all the way down covering it. And then nobody knows whose trailer, whose truck this is.
They just came up on the guy that ran allegedly this is his truck.
Okay. Tag don't match it, so I'm gonna run the VIN real quick.
Yeah, I was looking for a VIN on this.
They're usually fairly tongue, aren't they?
Yeah, that sounds like a really, really bad job.
All right, everybody's in cuffs. Stand up. Put your hands under your pocket.
Why am I?
Because you were getting out of that truck, and that truck just happens to be stolen.
I don't even know who that dude is. I swear to God. I had nothing to do with stealing the truck. I'm 8 months pregnant. Like, I didn't have nothing to do with that shit.
That's my thing, pickup's gonna be at 45.
I copy. Pickup's going to be at 45.
On everything, man.
Do you have a tag on it?
I don't know anything about the truck
Tag don't
being
match the truck.
stolen.
We got the 45 from the VIN.
Okay, copy.
No weapons on you?
No.
Okay, relax. We'll get it figured out. But until then, everybody's gonna go in handcuffs. Widen your stance for me. All right, sit back here.
I have no. Oh my God.
go around the other side here. Alright, take a seat for me.
Charles Logan, the man who fled on foot and was adamant that he didn't do nothing, has over 25 felony records in Franklin County, Ohio. He was indicted by a grand jury on felony counts of theft, receiving stolen property, failure to comply, and obstructing official business. Oddly enough, he was arrested and released on bond and has subsequently been arrested 3 more times. The most serious of those arrests was on August 26th, when he was arrested and charged with several weapons offenses. You may or may not be surprised to find out that he was released once again on low bonds from those charges as well.